Hi, this is Rocky. So in this video, I'd like to show you about our newest KVM over IP extender. So we start from the source. Right now we have the first PC here. So we have an HDMI output to the first transmitter here. As you can see on the front panel, we have the RS-232, IO control, IR, and also two function buttons, and also the VGA loop out. And also it can be rack mounted. On the back panel, we have a line cable, fiber optic, HDMI, VGA, and also the audio input and output, and also USB host port and the power supply. And then to this network switch here. And then we got a second transmitter and a second PCA. It's going to be the same connection. Then we have two receivers, and the first receiver is on the side to the TV one here. And also we have the keyboard and the mouse. So later we can show you about the KVM function. And now we got the second receiver to the second TV here. So right now we are using the IP. Then we use this laptop to control the whole system. Once we logged in, and then we can see here we got lots of functions, like we can click the transmitter and receiver. Then we can set up the transmitter and receiver independently. If we click the receiver, it will go to the receiver, and we also have like the identify here. So once we click the identify, then we can find the corresponding receiver to the TV. If we click the IP address, so we just cancel the identify first. If we click the IP address for the receiver, then we'll go to the settings for this receiver. And for this receiver, and we also have lots of functions, like we have the dynamic snap. And once we click this one, then we can capture the source from this receiver. Back to this one. And also we have the situation for the broadcasting. It's actually for the matrix switching, the presets for the matrix switcher. So we can recall some of the presets. So this one is actually the presets for the matrix switching. And also here we got the broadcasting. This one is for the matrix switching. So we can do the switching directly from here. Except the matrix mode, and I also have a video wall here. So once we click the video wall, and we will have the video presets. So we can just recall some presets we did before. I'll apply this one, and also we can have a information here. Just apply this setting. You can see it's actually a 1x2 video wall, and from this laptop. Can record the second one. We're back to the matrix mode, and we also can record the presets for the matrix. Okay, this one is about the control for the IP control the whole system, and we can share about the KVM function here. Like we said before, and we have the hotkey for the receiver. So such as if we press the F11 3 times, then we can find like all the receivers here, and we can just select the source. Or press enter. So we can use the mouse here and to control the first PC on this side. And also we can just have the mouse roaming to the second PC. You can see it's already on to the second PC. Can just have the mouse back to the first PC, second PC. Can have the video. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like this video and this product.